ये एक्चुअली में एंटी एयर पोल्यूशन है और इसमें जब आप पोल्यूशन में जाते हैं तो इसमें बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चलता कि आप पोल्यूशन के अंदर हैं और बिल्कुल आपको ब्रीथ ऐसा लगता है आप जैसे एज होम आप फील कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल ही, और बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल है और पोल्यूशन का बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता है इसमें कि पोल्यूशन भी बाहर आउटडोर में आपका बहुत पोल्यूशन हो रहा है।
So what we've done is we've made a smart wearable device. It's an anti-pollution helmet. It's a air purification system integrated into a two-wheeler rider's helmet. I got sensitized to this problem in 2016 when the pollution in Delhi in the winter months was reported extensively by media, and we got to know about the very bad air quality in Delhi. That's the time when we started developing this product to deliver pure air and protect the bike riders from particulate matter and vehicular emissions. It's a huge market. In India, on the roads, you've got more than 20 crore two-wheelers, and every year approximately 10% get added. So it's an immense market, and so to get the product right, to be able to service a portion of that market is the immediate objective for us.